Installing the products is really easy and you don't need a professional. All you need is an angle grinder, a pen, a ruler, a metal wire brush, a tooth trowel, a level, glue and grout. We recommend that you use protective equipment, gloves and protective goggles. We have a variety of shapes and shades in each box. We recommend that before beginning the installation you mix the products from several boxes so to have a harmony of shapes and colours. Placing the stones without gluing them will give you a better feel as to how the final wall will look and will help you make better placement choices. Before beginning the installation, check that your support is dry and in good condition. For better adherence, we recommend that you scratch the back of the stones using a wire brush. Apply the glue to the wall and the back of the stone, then place it on the wall using a back and forth movement. Repeat the procedure for the rest of the stones. It is important to begin with a corner or end of wall. Leave the stones 24 hours before grouting them with the grout type of your choice. For grouting, you will need a grout bag, a cutter, a small brush, the grout, a trowel, a clean empty bucket and a mixing tool. Roll the grout bucket on the floor before opening it in order to mix the content. You will find the grouting bag in the bucket. Use clean water for the grout mixture. The proportions to be used for each type of grout are written on the grout buckets. Mix the grout and water well until you have a smooth paste. We recommend not to prepare the whole quantity at once, but to work in areas of around 30 square feet to avoid that the grout hardens before you have a chance to apply it to the wall. Cut diagonally about 1 inch from the tip of the grouting bag and fill it about 2/3 with grout. When grouting, insert the tip of the grouting bag in the empty space between the stones, almost in contact with the wall, and fill the empty spaces by squeezing the bag. It's as easy as glazing a cake. If the grout overflows onto the stones, let it set and remove the excess at the final scraping. As soon as the grout begins to set, about 1 hour depending on the ambient temperature and humidity, you can start finishing the grout. For this, you need to gently scratch away the surplus material. A brush with smooth bristles can be used afterwards to give the wall a finishing touch. After finishing the installation, we recommend using a water and oil repellent spray in order to facilitate the maintenance of the stones.